Can CPAs work in mergers and acquisition profile? Why not? I mean, this is one of the questions which was posted on my Instagram series, which we are continuing. That can CPAs be hired in M&A profile? And I'd like to tell you that recently we placed one of our alumni, Vaishnavi Patel, in Infosys mergers and acquisition profile. Now, how did that happen, sir? Because CPAs typically are focused on reporting, accounting, and all those things, because people relate that CPAs primarily work in audit and tax. Now, how that these guys are working in M&A? Now, this have happened only because we short that CPAs today, what we see is when we are hiring anyone, we see the attitude, we see the skill set, and we definitely see a qualification for sure. Now in Vaishnavi case, she has the qualification, she has the skill set, she has the attitude, but one more thing which was very important for me to place her in that profile was to do some kind of brush up on financial modeling. So she did a Udemy course, a small course along with her CPA, and then that's how we could place her in M&A profile. So if someone is asking me, can CPA directly work in M&A profile? The answer is yes, 90%. But 10% you should also ensure that you're working something which is related to Excel and financial modeling, and you don't need to spend too much of money on that. A small Udemy course also should be sufficient along with your primary qualification like CPA. Thank you so much for watching out.